So for number 10, we are going to first find side A, and then we'll find side B. For side A, because we're trying to find this shorter length that is related to this longer and this shorter length, we will have 3x plus 8 minus 2x minus 3, giving us 3x plus 8 minus 2x plus 3, and that will give us x plus 11. Okay, because we've got our like terms. Okay. For B, we're going to have our horizontal lines that are all related. We've got the x plus 3 and the 2x minus 8 that are equal to that B. So we'll have x plus 3 plus 2x minus 8 is going to be equal to 3x minus 5. Okay? And so now we'll label these just to make things a little bit easier for us. Okay, so in finding our perimeter, we are going to, and these would both be units, I should say. In finding our perimeter, we're going to add together all the sides, so x plus 3, x plus 11, 2x minus 8, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 5, and 3x plus 8. And we will add those all together, and we'll get 12x. And 0, and so this will be 12 units. Okay. So now we're going to find our area, and in finding our area, I'm actually going to start by dividing our figure up into two pieces. I'm going to break it up this way, and the reason for that is this has this for its length and width, so it's easy to see, and this side here has 3x plus 8 and x plus 3. And so now we'll go ahead and find that area of 3x plus 8 times x plus 3 plus 2x minus 8 times 2x minus 3. So we'll have 3x squared plus 9x plus 8x plus 24 plus 4x squared minus 6x minus 8x, minus 16x. And then again, plus 24. I should have put the perimeter work over further. So now we can combine our like terms. We'll have 3x squared and 4x squared is 7x squared. And we'll have 9x plus 8x is 17x. Minus 16x is 1x. Minus 6x is negative 5x. And then finally, we'll have 24 plus 24 is 28. And so this is going to be 7x squared minus 5x plus 28 units squared.